Hi everybody, it's Amy. So if you didn't see my video from yesterday, I started doing a compost and I have never composted before ever. So what I did was I took this container, I had it around the house. It's great because it has a nice tight seal and it has a nice little opening where I can just put food down in it. So I started off with clementine rinds and eggshells. So I went to my comments and took the suggestions. I smashed up the eggshells more and I tore the clementine to smaller pieces. Super helpful. Thank you for letting me know that. And then what I'm going to do today when I get the mail, because we get a once a week newspaper, I'm going to put some newspaper in here because that was another suggestion. Today I added lettuce to this, and another suggestion from the comments, I shook it up. So we're on a good start, or we're on our way to a great compost pile, I should say. I'm going to leave this in the house for the first few days. I don't know how gross this thing gets, so it may end up on the deck, and I may just put everything in a bowl and then add it to here. Also, great suggestion of making a hole in the yard and just kind of starting, to put this stuff in there. Right now, it's still winter here in New England, so that's why I'm starting it inside. And then, yes, I absolutely plan on moving this outside, like either in the ground, in the earth, or maybe getting a compost box, making one. We'll see how this evolves. I'm just kind of taking it day by day. So this is where we're at so far. I just really like the idea of knowing exactly what I'm going to be fertilizing my garden with. I just think it's pretty cool. So, gardening tips, tricks. Let me know if you have a garden, if you plan on doing a garden, if you do apartment gardens, like in pots and stuff, any tricks for people that do that, because I know on a previous video on my main channel where I was shopping for garden stuff, a lot of people were talking about doing them in planters, which I think is amazing. So let us talk down in the comments. Thank you so much, guys. Hit that thumbs up button, and I'll talk to you down there.